Ellington is coming for the first time in Dubai South, something fresh that still makes smart investment sense. Let me walk you through Windsor House. It's in Dubai South, and honestly, it's not just any other building. It's a full community experience, and it's kinda solving what's being missed in that area. So here's the deal. Dubai South is huge, like 145 square kilometer huge. That's more than twice the size of Hong Kong Island. Wild, right? You've got the airport, Expo City, logistics zone, free zone. It's like the massive city within a city. But the resident side, it was still catching up until now. That's where Windsor House comes in. The location's solid. You're 15 minutes to Al Maktoum International Airport, 20 minutes to Dubai Investment Park, and about 40 minutes to downtown and DXB Airport. Even Abu Dhabi is doable in a little over an hour. And if you're working in Expo City, DWC or DIP, you're literally around the corner. So what's different about Windsor House? It's not this one big concrete block. It's two towers built around this amazing landscape courtyard. Like a little green pocket in the middle of the city. Tons of sunlight, loads of open spaces, proper airflow, and yeah, it just feels so nice. There's a massive 41,000 square feet of landscape space that's like half of a football field, and they have divided into zones. Pool zone, yoga deck, Mediterranean pods, kids play area, outdoor gym, barbecue spaces, game courts, you name it. It's not just functional, it's social. You're actually gonna want to hang out over here. Plus, they added a boulevard entrance arcade with 9 retail spaces and 1 F&B. So you have got shop, cafes all right downstairs. And residents get dedicated access to it. No walking across big parking lots or anything. It's super walkable, super community driven, feels like a mini neighborhood inside the building. And inside, modern but not cold, bright spaces, big windows, earthly colors, and like blue accents. You know, the cozy, relaxed vibe. When Ellington comes in, quality is not even a question. From the time you enter the house till your balcony, you have smartly curated spaces, smartly aligned spaces. And one thing you all have to agree with me, when we talk about Ellington and quality, there's no compromise. And then the club lounge is a chill zone with board games, library corners, full height glass lookout outside the window. Then there's a fitness center, a Pilates studio, a self-service car wash, bike racks. I mean, I can go on and on. And for the apartments, you've got options. Studios around 430 square feet, one bed's about 780 square feet, two bed between 1130 to 1140 square feet, two bed plus study which is about 1200 square feet, and three beds which go up to 1500 square feet and above. All the bedrooms are ensuite, by the way, and some units are in corner spots with these great views. Wardrobes come with dressers, kitchens have stone countertops. It's all good stuff. Even the powder room feels nicely done, and that says a lot. Windsor House isn't one of those just investment places. It's the kind of project where you could actually live, raise a family, or rent it out and feel good about it. It gives you lifestyle plus location plus long-term growth potential all in one place, and in a zone that's just going to keep getting better over time. So if you're looking for something with real design, real thought, and real upside, Windsor House might just be it. Well, it's a smart investment. It's by Ellington. Your prices, the starting price for this area is really good. I mean, 1,500 dirhams price per square foot, which compared to that area is still the lowest. Now, this was all about Ellington and Ellington's new project, Windsor House. Now, let me know if you want to know about this or are interested. So contact me on the number given below, and I will catch you back in the next video.